Hey guys, so recently I got a new fake ponytail and I thought that I would do like a tiny bit of a hair tutorial to show you how I put the fake ponytails in. I have had a few questions before asking about like how you do it and stuff, and also I just wanted to show you how amazing these are because I use this brand's normal hair extensions, like the clip-in ones, and they are literally the best I've ever had. So it's by the brand Chica. I'll put all their information down below. I also have a coupon code for them, which is LunaLily, for 5% off I think it is, and some free eyelashes as well. So if you are gonna get anything, you might as well use that for a free 5% off. But yeah, this is the 100% Remy human hair, so this is real human hair, so it looks real, it feels real, you can do anything you want to it, and I'm pretty sure this is the 20-inch pony as well, so it is very long. As you can see, it goes down here. So like I said, because it's human hair, you can curl it, straighten it, dye it different colours, crimp it. Whatever you would do to your normal hair, you can do to this ponytail. You can clip it in anywhere, so you can have it a low down ponytail, a side one, whatever you want. I just like having it up high like this, like quite voluminous sort of thing. So yeah, I will just show you what this looks like when it's kind of out of my head and show you how I put it in and everything. And like I said, I'll put all the details for them down below so you can check them out if this is of any use to you. Obviously there's all different colours. I've bought this one to match my hair. I think it matches pretty perfectly. At the minute I do have like dark roots and yellow patches and stuff, but generally when it's dyed this is an exact match, but they do loads and loads and loads of different colours. So whether you've got brunette hair or black hair or ginger hair or any multicoloured of hair, you'll end up finding one that fits you. So yeah, so I'm going to look a little crazy for a second because I have like a little bun on my head, but basically when it comes out of the box, this is what it looks like. On this side it has a comb here, and it has this little strip which is velcro that attaches, and then this hair on there. And it does also come with some little extension clips in case you want to sew those onto it for some like extra clips kind of thing, but I don't think I'm going to use those. So basically all you have to do is put your hair into a little bun. You can either put it in a bun or you can put it in a ponytail. If you don't have enough hair, just do a little ponytail. I like doing the bun for the extra kind of height on the pony, so it like gives it a bit of volume, but obviously you don't have to do that. So you get this little comb and you get hold of it, put it, oh this is difficult on camera, put it over the top of the bun and put the comb underneath your bun. So it will look like this. Get this little piece, wrap it underneath, and then attach the velcro from the top to this piece that you've just wrapped around, and then use this extra little bit here to wrap around and hide that velcro. And that is literally the simplest hairstyle you will probably ever do. That's it, it's done. That's just how you put the ponytail in. Obviously then you can style it however you want to. You can curl it, you can straighten it, you can do anything you want to it. If you want it lower down, like I said, you can do it lower. I just like kind of the bigger pony sort of look. But yeah, that is how simple it is. I just thought that I would show you guys because I have had some people ask how I do it before, and this is the brand that I use. Their stuff's really good. I used to work in a hair extension shop and the ones that we sold were not this good. So 100% recommend. Like I said, if you're going to buy anything, feel free to use the code LunaLily for some money off. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.